Welcome to the presentation on Crunchbase. Private companies represent a massive and often overlooked opportunity. You can think of the business world like an iceberg. The part you see above the water, public companies, is actually a shrinking market. There are about 46,583 public companies today, which is only half as many as there were in the US just a decade ago. But beneath the surface lies the real mass. The private company opportunity is not just growing, it's thriving. There are millions of private companies, with over 200,000 new ones started each year in the US alone. They have attracted $3 trillion in funding, generate many times that in revenue, and employ a staggering 124 million people in the US. With such a vast opportunity, it is no surprise that millions of professionals are desperately trying to connect with these companies. This includes salespeople, business development teams, marketers, entrepreneurs, investors, consultants, and job seekers. However, a significant gap exists, making it difficult for these professionals to find and engage with the right private company opportunities. This makes prospecting for those opportunities a slow and frustrating process. A large part of the challenge stems from the private company data itself. It is often opaque, unstructured, and unreliable. It also becomes outdated very quickly, is expensive to acquire, and is not easily monitored for important changes. At the same time, existing solutions on the market often fall short. They tend to focus more on productivity and tracking progress rather than actually filling your sales pipeline. Many are built on empty databases, relying on you to provide the prospects. The data you import can go stale almost immediately, and these tools typically do not track buying signals or suggest new prospects for you. Crunchbase unlocks these opportunities by offering a world-class prospecting tool on top of our proprietary data platform. Our platform gathers information from our community, network, partners, and by crawling the web. It then works to match profiles, clean errors, and monitor usage to derive intelligent insights. This ensures our data is structured, intelligent, and dynamic. All of this feeds into our prospecting app, Crunchbase Pro, a self-service tool that gives you access to live data from a brand you can trust. Our unique data set is what drives our growth flywheel, creating a powerful, self-reinforcing cycle. It starts with data from our community and partners, including governments, VCs, and accelerators who contribute primary source data. Next, we intelligently enhance and derive new data, automatically pulling information from sources like news and social media to keep everything current. This fresh data is then syndicated to our partners and indexed by search engines, which improves our search rankings. This brings more users to our platform who are searching for company information. Once they arrive, they discover more value through adjacent data and similar companies. This high visibility creates a sense of FOMO, or fear of missing out, which encourages more data owners to join Crunchbase, completing the cycle. And this powerful model is paying off. As you can see from our total annual recurring revenue, or ARR, we are making money quickly and efficiently. Our growth has been strong and is accelerating over time. Today, over tens of thousands of professionals pay us for our prospecting tools. Our platform allows them to perform multi-join dynamic searches to pinpoint the exact companies they need. They can also use customizable columns, sorting, and email alerts to track the information that matters most. Finally, they can access valuable statistics and analysis to better understand the market. This is a proven model that works. The formula is simple: combine best-in-class data with a destination website, add prospecting and promotion tools, and build powerful apps. We see this pattern in other successful companies. LinkedIn did it for resumes. Zillow did it for houses. G2 Crowd did it for products, and Yelp did it for restaurants. In the same way, Crunchbase is doing this for companies. We are tapping into a massive $35 billion market in the private company prospecting space. Let's break that down. Our core is a $19 billion market made up of the 55 million yearly users who prospect on Crunchbase. This expands to a $25 billion market of 1 million global businesses selling to private companies. The total addressable market is $35 billion, which includes 100 million business users who need to connect with private companies. We know what we're doing, and we are here for the same reason, to capitalize on this incredible opportunity. Our leadership team has extensive experience from industry-leading companies. Our CEO, Jager McConnell, ran the SFA product line at Salesforce. We have leaders who held key positions at Google, Dropbox, Zillow, and Walmart. We're also backed by a fantastic group of investors, including Mayfield, Emergence, Felicis Ventures, Salesforce, and Verizon Ventures. To put it simply, Crunchbase is the LinkedIn for companies. Just as you would visit LinkedIn for information on a person, you come to Crunchbase for comprehensive data on a company. This is Crunchbase,